Welcome to iRate Digital Education.
Viewers, welcome to yet another tutorial session. I remain Teacher Ibrahim Kiari. I'll be taking my student together with yourselves through English Class 7 tutorial. I'll now let my student introduce herself.
I am Abigail Lungaya. We'll be going through the questions with my teacher and giving you the answers.
Elimu mkononi.
Let's go digital.
Question 1. Use the best form of the word in brackets to fill in the blank space. If you feel you have a lot to do, you will dash feel overwhelmed.
The answer to question 1 is probably.
The answer to the first question is probably. That you got correct. For such questions, if you want to get them correct, just read through the question. If you feel you have a lot to do, you will dash feel overwhelmed. Probably was the best answer. You use the word in brackets, you twist it so that it can probably or well fit in the dash so as to come up with a sensible meaning. Question 2. Choose the odd one out. Antelope, donkey, zebra, buffalo.
The answer to question 2 is donkey.
The correct answer to question 2 is donkey. This you got correct. Now let's move to the next question.
But teacher, why is it donkey and not zebra or buffalo or antelope?
First, to clarify on something, it's spelled as buffalo and not buffalo. Buffalo is the correct pronunciation of it. Okay, the reason as to how we chose donkey as the correct answer is because the rest are wild animals, but donkey is kept at home as a domestic animal. We now move to the next question. Question 3. Give the synonym of the word in brackets. A baby should have sufficient mother's milk.
The answer to question 3 is enough.
The correct answer to question 3 is enough. The question was, a baby should have sufficient mother's milk. You are to use the synonym of the word in brackets, which was sufficient. Sufficient, the other word which means the same as it, is enough. Synonyms are words with similar meaning but different pronunciation. Maybe you can give us some of the examples of the synonyms that you know.
Like rich and wealthy, intelligent and smart.
That's very good. We now move to the next question. Question 4. Choose the best question tag. You shouldn't have come today.
The answer to question 4 is should you.
The answer to question 4 is should you. Should you is a question tag. Question tags are short questions at the end of a statement. We have two types of question tags. We have negative and positive. If a statement is positive, the question tag is negative. And if the statement is negative, the question tag becomes positive. Question 5. Select the best alternative. Some dash the diseases are caused by the flea.
The answer to question 5 is of.
Some of the diseases are caused by the flea. Of is a preposition. Prepositions are used in joining other parts of a sentence to make a meaningful statement. Maybe you can give us some of the prepositions that you know.
Like from, for, and by.
That's very good. It seems you understand them. Now we move to the next question. Question 6. Fill the gap with the best alternative. Earth has water but not the dash planets.
The answer to question 6 is other.
The answer to this question is other. Earth has water but not the other planets. This you got correct. It seems you understand them. Now we move to the next question. Question 7. Choose an appropriate preposition to fill in the blank space. Such food is important dash children.
The answer to question 7 is for.
The answer to question 7 is for. Such food is important for children. As we had said earlier on, for is a preposition used to join different parts of a sentence together to make a meaningful statement. Question 8. Select the best alternative. A flea consumes dash host's blood.
The answer to question 8 is eats.
A flea consumes its host's blood. Its is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that we use instead of a noun. Question 9. Give the opposite of the word in brackets. It is sad that some athletes did not win.
The answer to question 9 is lose.
The answer to question 9 is lose. Lose with a single O. L-O-S-E. As you can see, you gave L-O-O-S-E. This you got wrong.
So teacher, what's the difference between lose and the lose?
Okay, the first one, L-O-S-E, is the opposite of the word win. That is to be deprived of. And the second one, lose, it's pronounced as lose. That is the opposite of tight.
Okay, thank
saying
you.
that something is loose. We move to the next question, please. Question 10. Select the best alternative. They have gone out.
The answer to question 10 is haven't they?
The answer to the last question is haven't they? The question is they have gone out. You are to fill a question tag. This statement is positive. Hence, the answer should be
Negative.
exactly. This we got correct because we said a positive statement goes along with a negative question tag, right?
Yes.
And the same applies vice versa. Viewers, thank you for watching. Let's meet in our next tutorial session.
So, what are the benefits of iRate? With the iRate application, you can be able to access and do thousands of tests, view test results. You can be able to read notes on these test results. You can also be able to access thousands of exam questions, view exam reports, upgrade your class, and read relevant topics from the library.
iRate is simple to use. With iRate, I've been able to improve my grades.
You will be able to access the following tabs: do test, test result, exam, exam report, update class, library, study group, and contact us.